Friends, David here from Above AVL, and in this video, we're talking about wire and cable. It's going to be fun talking about some new cables we're checking out. We're going to see what we think about them. Let's dive in. So, we recently had the opportunity to get our hands on the Elite Core Essential cables. We paid for these cables. So, here I've got a True1 and a 3-pin DMX cable. Okay, True1, 3-pin DMX. And we're going to take a look at them and see how they compare to other inexpensive cables on the market. So I don't know about you, but we spend a lot of time, I spend a lot of time thinking about cable. Okay, because if you go out and you just go and buy like the cheapest DMX cable there is out there, you get something that's like really plasticky, like has a lot of like memory to it, and you're laying it out, you're plugging into your fixtures, you might have failures in cables. It's hard to, it's stiff and hard to get in the right place. It doesn't wrap well. Nobody wants that, right? But then on the other end is like full on nice custom cabling. Like, do I have one somewhere? Yeah, I do. I do. Like companies like Elite Core offer, they're one of the best. And like this is a beautiful Elite Core cable. This is a DMX 3-pin or a microphone. I think it's a microphone cable, but generally the same. Where you've got really nice connectors, nice labels, good quality cable. You run it out and you wrap it up, and it does a killer job. And so, between the two, there's a whole gamut of stuff. Obviously, a lot of times when we put together a rig for somebody, whether it be a lighting rig or an audio rig, we often go with, on the lighting side, DMX cables from the kind of DJ level lighting brands. With those being, well, I shouldn't say who they are, I guess. And those cables are like the most okay cables in the world. They hit a good price point. They tend to be reliable, more reliable than going to like some generic, like no name brand off Amazon that sometimes have issues, but they do leave some things to be desired. The connectors aren't great on those plugs. They're kind of just some no name connector. They do an okay job, but we could do better. So the nice people at Elite Core came out with their Essentials line, which is essentially their answer to this problem. Good cables that meet high quality standards but don't break the bank. So first, let's look at DMX cable. Compared to their actual Elite Core cable, it's just a little bit thinner in diameter, very similar. But what I love about this cable, and I've been using it for a couple days here, is that it is rubbery. Okay, it's not plasticky. It has a really good feel. It wraps nice. The other thing that goes with the whole Essentials line is they use the Rian connectors. So if you're not familiar, Rian is a sub-brand of Neutrik, aka the good connectors. And these are a Rian connector, Rian silver, there it is, with the Elite Core logo on them. And so this means that this is a full-on Neutrik connector compared to the real Neutrik DMX or XLR3 pin. It's very comparable in feeling. Really just this back strain relief feels a little bit cheaper, but otherwise, if you plug them together and you just look at them, you feel them, quality is honestly very, very similar between the two. Just for fun, I hadn't done this, but we're gonna open this up if we can. Yep. And take a look at the soldering. Having made a lot of cables in my life and not claiming to be the best, I know what good work looks like. I know what bad work looks like. So they've got it heat shrinked all the way to the bottom, which means I'm going to have to get into a small fight with it. So it might be hard to see, but soldering looks really good there. There's not any stray wires. It's really clean. There's solder filled inside of it, but it's not overflowing. Everything looks really good. Plus, you get that extra layer of protection from that heat shrink. I'm going to tell you, having taken apart many cables, if you go with the Accurate cables or the other brands cables, they're fine cable. There's nothing bad with them, but this is honestly nicer. And when we quote these out to people in packages, the price difference is actually like literally nothing. The pros, the cons: good cable, good price, no length identification on it, which some brands do, but that can be annoying because sometimes it isn't the same color scheme that your company uses. But overall, nice cable, well packaged, really nice. When it comes out of the package too, I don't know if you've ever bought like cheap cords on Amazon. It unwraps nicely. It's not just like a bunch of loops that are really messed up. It's flexible. It's nice to work with. Okay. Number two, True1. Okay. When we saw their prices on True1 cables, our jaw about dropped because they beat and through our store above AVL, you know, like our cheapest True1 cable is beat by this cable. And this cable is 12 gauge. Okay, most of the True1 kind of generic, less expensive ones you see out there, there's a couple things they do. Number one is they use a C-tronic connector versus this reamp. The C-tronic is generally considered a lesser quality connector. If you use them hard, they do tend to loosen up and have issues over time. Okay, the reams, I believe, are not that way. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, wire gauge. If you're not familiar, the thickness of the cable or the gauge determines how much power you can put through it. 16 gauge is pretty limited, especially at decent lengths, as to how much power you can put through it. Some brands do like 14 gauge or 15 gauge because it's not, if it's made overseas, they're not using American wire gauge. Imagine that. 12 gauge. So this is 12 gauge wire and it is SJTOW. That is the type of wire it is. So it's a little bit like a hardware store extension cord, meaning that it's somewhat rubbery, but it's somewhat plasticky. Okay. The real Elite Core, they're custom made high-end cables use a more rubbery wire than this. I think it's like an SOOW or an SJOOW. Okay, so this is SJTOW, little bit more plasticky, but overall still really well suited for the kind of things we do. The connectors are nice, the cables are nice, and I just have to tell you guys, we're stocking these. We've got them at Above AVL, and we're planning to be carrying all of the Elite Core Essentials eventually. But, this is a nice piece of cable. It's really well assembled. The only downside, again, compared to going with like a custom cable is it's not quite as rubbery. It's a little more extension cord like, but honestly, like almost every production company I've worked for uses SJTOW for, Edison type extension cords. So not a big deal there. The bigger thing is that it's actually 12 gauge. So check them out. We've got them at aboveavl.com. We're pumped about these and we're keeping them in stock at our warehouse because ultimately, we're able to, when we quote these out to you, always reach out for a quote, able to pretty much hit the same price points as those other cheaper cables, and you're getting a better quality product. And anytime we can do that as a retailer, as somebody who's helping you package things together and get it into your hands, then that's like a huge win because it's hard to justify more expensive cable. I know it is. If you're doing live productions, you set up and tear down all the time, it's a little bit easier. If it's installed, if you don't rearrange it a lot, it's hard to justify a more expensive cable. So if you take a cable that's not more expensive, quote it out, because remember, the retail prices that are listed are always governed by contracts, but we can quote stuff out and, you're going to be surprised because these don't cost more, but it's a nicer cable. It's, built really nicely. And these cables are just going to do a great job. They're easier to work with and we're thrilled. So we're pumped. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, head over to aboveavl.com. We've got these cables, the Elite Core Essentials. This is our new go-to general wire and cable brand for anything we need. And we hope it becomes yours too. Go get it from us. Get it. We would appreciate that. And of course, if you're buying cable, bundle it with other stuff. We'll figure out your personalized price, get it into your hands, and help you get everything you need with a smile on your face. If that sounds good, we'll see you there. Thanks.